Hi everyone, welcome to BTech Mathematics. In this video, we will discuss a PYQ from 2026 GATE exam. It is asked in Civil Engineering 1 paper. Okay, it's a question from linear algebra and it will be helpful for GATE 2027 aspirants. So let's get into the video. It's a question from linear algebra. It's a 1 mark question. A matrix P is given as 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then which of option is true? That's asked question. Option A is P transpose into P is an identity matrix. P is a skew symmetric matrix. Trace of P is equal to the sum of eigenvalues of P. Absolute magnitude of each eigenvalue is 1. Obviously, we can say that option C is it may be the correct answer. Properties of the matrix P and what is its transpose? It's actually 1 0 1. We'll convert first row into first column. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. And what is this? This is it's P itself. Therefore, this is symmetric, isn't it? P is symmetric, therefore option B is wrong. And if P is symmetric, what is P transpose into P? It's simply P square. P transpose into P is P square, isn't it? We'll calculate P square. Is it an identity matrix? We'll check that. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 into 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and it will be 2 and 0 2. It's a matrix starting like this, therefore it is not equal to identity matrix. Therefore first option is not true. It's again wrong answer option. And the trace of P is equal to sum of eigenvalues. Obviously it satisfies for the matrices, the square matrices. And absolute magnitude of each eigenvalue is 1. That is also we want to check. For that, we will write the characteristic equation for this matrix. Lambda cube minus trace of the matrix is 3 into lambda square plus minor of a11, minor of a22, minor of a33. That you want to calculate minor of this particular a11. A11, minor of a11 is 1. Okay, minor of this a22 is 0. Okay, and minor of this a33 is again 1. It's also 1 into lambda. And what about this determinant? Its determinant P is obviously 1 into positive 1 into excluding this row and column, we'll get the determinant 1 1 1 1. It's obviously 1 into 0. Determinant is 0. Therefore, this is equal to 0 will be the characteristic equation. That is lambda cube minus 3 lambda square plus 2 lambda equal to 0. Take lambda outside. Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 will be 0. And factorizing this, we'll get lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 1. Isn't it? Equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are, the eigenvalues are lambda equal to 0, lambda equal to 2 and lambda equal to 1. And absolute value of each, absolute value of, let me write it properly. Absolute value of each eigenvalue is not 1. Is not 1, isn't it? It's 0, it's 2 and it's 1. Here there is a lambda having value 2. Therefore option C is not right. Option D is not right. Okay, and now we can say that sum of eigenvalues is 0 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, and trace is sum of the diagonal elements. It's again 1 plus 1 plus 1 is also 3. The option C is the right answer. Okay, this is the question in 2026 GATE civil engineering exam. Okay, we will see in next video. For more videos, you can follow BTech Mathematics. Thank you.